Once again.
Hello, this is Irish Santa here. I am now in Mapusa and I am in the auto sales pit stop where they sell all kinds of protective gear for motorcyclists, which are many in this state. So I'm here with Tejas here. He's running the shop.
Hello.
And he's going to show you around some of the helmets here. It's unbelievable the value for money you can get in this shop. The helmets are top standard, high standard. Compared with at home, the Euro equivalent, they are for absolutely so cheap. But the quality is unmistakably very high. I know this because I've been riding motorcycles for a long time. So let's just have a look around the shop here. Today is this is November. I think this is the 23 November, and here we are, and we have certificates of excellence here.
Teachers, can you just talk about those helmets a little bit, please?
All these helmets over here, they are all DOT certified helmets, especially under the range of 2,000 rupees. All the helmets you can see over here, they are basically under 25,000 rupees. The difference between these helmets and these helmets are European standards, and these helmets are American and Indian standards. For basic purpose, the best helmets you can go for are these ones, for everyday purpose. And if you are a professional rider or something, you can obviously choose one of these.
And could you just take one of those helmets as a sample and show them the inside?
Yeah.
The ones which I would like to buy. One of them, please.
This is the helmet. Sir is getting it for himself. The padding is completely breathable, detachable, washable, and sweat-proof. The helmet is DOT plus ISI certified. It has ventilations on top, plus on front. It has double visor. You can put your Bluetooth inside. It's Bluetooth compatible. It's GoPro compatible. Plus, it's an intercom compatible helmet. The shell is 12 PFT shockproof. It will burst open up after 12 major impacts. That's the specification of this helmet. Plus, the difference between these helmets and these helmets are designed for high speeds. For example, 290 plus speeds. If you own a sports bike or a touring bike and you go for rides and all, you can go for this type of helmet. The specification of this helmet has a pin lock fog resistant upgraded 30 visor. The shell of this is 35 PFT shockproof. Plus, the helmet is ECE, DOT, and ISI certified. That's the difference.
And Santa, could you come in forward and show which one you have picked up for yourself?
I have decided to select this helmet here. This is in the extra large because that's the size I need. I have the clear visor obviously to the front here, and then I also have the mechanism here for operating the sun visor, which would be critical to our travels. So it also has ultraviolet protection as well as obviously protecting against glare and so forth as you travel. It has a lovely design on it here, which I like paint job, apart from the obvious qualities of the kite mark and the Department of Transportation approval mark. And this is what we call in Ireland and England a kite mark. This is crucial to the specifications and the safety of the helmet and the integrity of it. So this is a beautiful helmet. From my point of view, this costs how much?
2,500.
2,500 rupees.
I will put the conversion rate.
Is an amazing conversion to the euro.
Yeah.
So I'm going to enjoy using this. This is called a Drifter Rampage.
Yeah.
So I'm going to enjoy wearing this helmet.
And Santa, a silly question. Why did you choose green?
Well, you know, I am Irish Santa. We have an affinity with green. And also you will probably know that the colours of our flag are the same colours as the Indian flag. The difference being between
vertical
that is you have a crest on your flag and we have plain colours, green, white and orange.
Right.
So I chose this because of the context of the green. He's a gorilla, which some people would associate me with, and the green is also reflective, and he has an occasional cigarette, which he's having right now, one cigar.
Santa, would you be able to pick up the helmet next to you, the red and white? This is what Vagabond's going to be holding. So could you just show it up?
The Vagabonds here. He also have the Gorilla team on his one. It's also a Drifter Rampage, and the same features of the visor clear and also the sun visor. and obviously the kite mark. So he has a preference for this color. We don't know why, but we will investigate and keep you
No,
informed.
it's brown because I'm brown, so I've taken
Because
that.
he's a brown boy and I'm a white boy.
All right,
He's going for brown.
Okay, and just
Now.
say goodbye to the audience, please.
So I'd just like to say goodbye, and Tejas and
Thank you
myself
so
will
much.
say good
Thank you
luck
so
to you.
much.
And we will be showing this video obviously around the world as well as Ireland. Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy India when you ever get here.
Okay.